Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to Omni. Today I'm going to show you a really beautiful software. It's not free, let me give you that warning from the beginning. It's called Wondershare Dr. Phone, and it works for iOS and Android. What it does, it recovers data if you reset your phone or lost files due to a cracked screen or phone malfunctioning or the touch not working. You can recover your data from it. You can transfer data between your phone and computer, data recovery, WhatsApp transfer, password manager, phone transfer to another phone, system repair, tries to repair your iOS or Android system, fix iTunes errors, remove phone lock for Apple ID, MDM, etc., etc. It's extremely useful software. In the software, whether you need to recover data or remove a screen lock or back up your phone or a cloud migration, virtual location, erase data forever, this software will do it all. I don't need to do a recovery on my phone, but I'm just clicking it for testing purposes and demonstration purposes. So you can click recover iOS data or recover Android data. If you click here, it will show you this window. In this window, you will have to unlock your phone. Otherwise, it will not work. It needs that unlock access if you're doing data recovery. In my case, I have my phone blocked off because I don't want to go further. But you can recover data from the phone itself, from the SD in the phone, recover from broken phone, or you recover your WhatsApp messages. And it's a beautiful, beautiful software. Phone Manager as well works to transfer data between your phone, your computer. You can go select photos, videos, music, information, apps, explore. There's everything you need about your iOS or Android. You give it a try. This software, I think, is available for trial as well. You can try it and see it for yourself. If you need a phone, if you need to recover data from a broken phone or a phone that you have just reset by mistake, or you were forced to reset it. And with that said, I thank you for stopping by and spending your time with me today. I hope you learned something, and stay tuned for more software fixes and tutorials that I might come across.